Custom paper sizes are created in the printer driver, also called the Printing Preferences dialog. Click on the Page Setup tab. Clicking on Page Size, you'll see all of the paper sizes Canon has included in the driver. For any size not included in this list, you will have to define a custom paper size. Scroll to the bottom of the size list and choose Custom. The Custom Paper Sizes dialog appears. Set the width and the height. The width is always the smaller dimension, and the height is always the larger dimension. This is how the printer expects sizes to be entered. Once you finish defining the new size, Custom is displayed as the page size. Hovering over the menu will show you your new size. Portrait and landscape refer to the orientation of the image on the page, not how the paper is fed into the printer. A key fact is that you cannot print borderless with custom paper sizes. Here's a demo. Clicking borderless shows a greatly reduced selection of paper sizes. Canon only allows these sizes to be printed without borders. Notice that the custom option is missing. Setting normal size restores all sizes, including the custom option. Finally, Canon does not allow you to save custom sizes for future use. The next time you make a print, the printer will have lost the custom size information and you'll need to define it again. Make this a checklist item if you're going to use custom sizes on a regular basis. In the Custom Size dialog, you see the range of paper width and height for the printer. You may notice that the width range does not match with your printer. In this case, the Canon Pro 200 is a 13-inch wide printer, and the driver shows a max width of 16.54. Be aware of your printer's width when defining sizes. In the paper size listing, some drivers show sizes that will not fit in the printer. Avoid choosing these sizes as they'll do odd image resizing that you probably don't want. Please visit Red River Paper's website to see the best selection of photo and fine art papers for inkjet printing. You'll find professional quality papers, free color profiles, and world-class technical support and printing resources.